State of Wisconsin versus Jolene Brask. Is there an offer that could be presented to Ms. Brask?
No, I'd have to look at the case more.
All right.
And I would like to thank the two of you before we begin. Is that okay?
Sure.
You are like, I taught children for 20 years. I've used analogies, but you are like a starburst candy. You are a star in the courtroom, a star in the community, and you burst listening ears. You burst love, kindness, compassion. You burst a good conscience, and you listen to your conscience to be a star in as many situations as you can. So thank you for who you are, and I'm delighted to be here today.
Thank you, Ms. Brask. That was very warm and heartfelt, so thank you.
And Zachary's my judge?
No.
It says Zachary Fisher on the screen.
Oh, no, Zachary, he's an attorney for the public defender. He's just kind of hanging out.
Oh, good. He's listening to this?
Yes.
Okay, Zachary Fisher, thank you for who you are. I'm glad you're going to be my public defender because we're going to go fishing for some good things to happen in the lives of people. I taught children, first graders A to Z, and you and I are going to have a blast, and we're going to laugh a lot, and I'll predict my emotions. I'll say, Zachary, we're going to laugh now. Courtroom, we're going to laugh now on June 10th, and we're going to just have a wonderful time of laughing and crying together.
I'm not sure if you want to take a public defender case. If you do, you're more than welcome. Ms. Brask?
I would like him to be my public defender.
Mr. Schmidt, so...
Just a minute. Zachary, jot down my phone number. I'm very busy with appointments. But if you could call me sometime in the next week, the court date is
I'm
June
sure
10th.
we're going to address that a little bit. I just need to mute you for a second, okay? Muted. Mr. Schmidt, we need to discuss bail and or competency.
Well, I do observe in the original reports from 22 that the defendant made assertions about a cult, let me use the exact wording, about a cult in Burnett County violating the rules and laws of God. When I look on MCRO, I see that it appears she was committed in Hennepin County in January of this year.
All right, Ms. Brask, if you can, there should be a button now that you can hit to unmute because we need you to answer a question and Mr. Fisher can't be involved, at least at this stage. Use the mouse, use that mouse, or yeah, use the mouse to go click it. I have an address for you in Crystal, Minnesota. Is that correct?
That is correct. My debit card was declined. I should have been out of here on Monday evening. And I had 20 minutes till and I'd be out because if my debit card is declined to pay my bail. I have money to pay my bail.
All right. Okay.
I want to get home as soon as possible.
And now Mr. Schmidt said that you are receiving services and it may be entitled a commitment in Hennepin County.
That is correct.
And so you are under that?
I'm currently under a 12-month Jarvis commitment until I believe it's till January of next year.
I'm going to move to dismiss both cases for the reasons being the victim in both is deceased. When I continue to look at MCRO, it seems consistent with what she's saying, and she's been committed 13 times since 2008. So,
okay, sir,
all right.
Sir,
so
Mr. I should not be here. I should not be here. I did not violate the law.
And Ms. Brask, that's exactly what he's saying right now. He's dismissing the cases. He's asking me to say, you know what, I'm going to grant him. Both cases are dismissed. So you don't need to come up with bail. You get to be released. Okay. And you get to go home.
I don't have to pay bail?
You don't have to pay bail. You get to go home. Okay.
Why don't I have to pay the bail? $800 I was in 2 days ago.
You don't have to worry about that. As of right now, the state, Mr. Schmidt is asking the court to dismiss these matters and grant that so they'll go away. You don't have to worry about them anymore, okay?
Do I have to pay the bail on June 10th? When I have
you don't have to pay
hearing?
any bail, no bail ever. You don't even have to come back to court, okay?
I want to be in court June 10th.
You don't need to.
I will be there. I will be there June 10th. I will be there.
Sounds great. We'll see you on June 10th. But you're going to be released.
I'm sorry, June 11th.
June 11th sounds great too. You will be released as soon as we can get the minutes up to the jail, okay?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You made my day. I thought I have a tree that needs to come down. Thank you.
Excellent. You're welcome. We are adjourned.
How do I get out?
Sudie will come get you. Your CO, she'll come get you, okay?
As a first grade teacher, I've never been in the self-contained classroom of a hearing and this kind of thing. This was the first time I've had one of these.